unicorns, welcome to the Zeeval. In this video I'm going to create the reverse cat eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. The colors that I will be using in this video are going to be neutral shades, which is black, brown and a golden highlighter. The first thing that I've done here is I filled in the eyebrow with black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product to fill in your eyebrows that you like the most. And now I'm just creating the illusion of depth. What I've done here is I've just taken some brown eyeshadow and created the crease with it. Now I'm blending it. You may ask, why am I doing this, right? Just because I want this eye on my hand to look more realistic. Now I've taken the black eyeshadow on this flat brush and I'm applying it onto the lower lash line. In this reverse cat eye makeup look, we will focus more on our lower lash line than our upper lash line. So we are doing that. We have to intensify this. So we are adding more and more black on the lower lash line. I'm applying a little bit black eyeshadow onto our upper lash line just because we want to connect the outer corners. I will keep on adding the black eyeshadow again and again until I am satisfied with the intensity. Now, I've taken some brown eyeshadow on this bullet end brush and I'm trying to blend it. Blend it really very beautifully with the black eyeshadow. And it's time for our highlighter. The highlighter color that I'm using is golden. Why golden? Because golden goes with everything and with the black. Oh my god, it is so beautiful together, right? Don't you think the same? Let me know in the comment section below. I've applied the extra residue of highlighter onto our upper lid just for fun. And now we are almost finished here with our reverse cat eye makeup look. I am just drawing the eyelashes. What you can do here is just apply some mascara or apply false eyelashes if you love them. And you will be done with your reverse cat eye makeup look. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my videos, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. And please share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time, next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.